You know, one of the key pillars of Pembrokeshire's economy is farming. And over the summer, I spent a great deal of time talking to local farmers about the wave of challenges that the sector is facing at the moment from your government and indeed from the government in Westminster. Now, as you will know, farming businesses are vital to the local economy. They employ local people and support local supply chains by procuring local goods and services, which in turn generates a huge amount of money for the local economy. Therefore, it's extremely worrying to hear that there are proposals being made for an enormous solar park to be established on 316 acres of important farmland in Johnston, in my constituency. So, First Minister, will you join me in opposing any proposals for large-scale solar farms on productive agricultural land? Because it's vital that we don't lose valuable food-producing land in Pembrokeshire, given the sector's clear importance to the local economy.
Thanks very much. Well, we recognise that agriculture has a significant role to play in the economy, and I too spent a lot of time in agricultural shows over the summer, speaking to many people involved in that sector. I am pleased that we've committed the equivalent of this year's basic payment scheme. It's £238 million for universal payments, so that's good. They are getting the same amount as they've had in the past. When it comes to planning issues, obviously, there's a possibility that they could be called in, so I can't make a statement on that.